So if we go 1, 2, 3, right here, he would go like that. He would grab it. Sometimes he would grab the hand if you wanted to put the wrist lock on, but just take the stick for now. So after you go and you grab, he hits. See if he hits, he goes here. If the guy doesn't go down, he pulls him down. And then he goes right like this. Okay? So if you do it, here, 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 go here and grab. Now you go right here. If I don't go down, take the butt of your stick and pull it up, and now put that in there and over.
Go like that.
Yes, that's it. He said the sign. He said the sign of the cross.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going here, 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 here. Just move like that. Yeah. So it's right here. Cool. Whoop. And then right to this position. Okay. You have it?
One more time.
One more time. So here, here, here. So grab it. Okay. Hit. Bring it down. You can hit again. If the guy if the guy is not very flexible, sometimes you can go like sometimes they automatically go to position. It's easy. You can either grab him or you grab the stick. And then you just go here. Hey, you got to train with Edgar, right? Yeah. So he was there then during that era. Okay? You have it? Okay, go.